I'm independent, got my own boo. And I can run the cash up if I want to. Run it up, body cold, frosty. And I'm so bossy, and I'm so saucy. And my clothes cost hood and I'm bougie. Gucci on my booty.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So we are doing a part 2 of this video because part 1 didn't work out so well. If you didn't see part 1, I will link it above up here. I think it's going to show up on this side. No, this side. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. So brief recap. Part 1, I went ahead and bought the Too Faced Born This Way line. Now this line has been out for a while now, but I didn't have any interest of trying the line until I saw that Jackie Aina had something to do with it, because I really like her. So I went ahead and got the color caramel, tried it on camera. Y'all saw it was a complete and utter fail. Yeah, it was way too light. It did not look right. It was just, wait a minute, I don't know. it was just bad. So yeah, so I decided to go back to the store and exchange it. I was really kind of confused. I didn't know if I should get maple. What was the color before maple? Was it mocha? No, it wasn't mocha. I don't know. The color before maple and maple. Like, I put all 3 of them on my hand. Like, maple and the one before this one looks so similar. So I'm really hoping that this is a good match. It looked like a good match in my hand. So we're gonna see. I really tried not to tear this open. I really did. I'm gonna use my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer really quick. Not gonna use a lot because I don't plan on keeping this foundation on long. I really feel like I have red undertone, especially on camera. It really looks like a red undertone. Alright, so I'm not gonna read all the details and stuff of the foundation because I did all of that in the first video. Like, this is literally just a part 2, just trying to see if this is going to work for me or not. So this is what this color looks like. It definitely looks more closer of a match, so I'm really excited to find out. So I'm going to do the same thing I did last time, do 1 full pump. Well, after I prime it. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a pump and a half on accident. So I'm going to use a brush because I already established in the last video that it applies better with the brush. I have to use this one because this one's more dense. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and dot. This looks closer to the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color Soft Sable that I normally wear. It looks closer to that in my opinion. We'll see. Alright y'all, so I'm about to blend out. Let me zoom in a little bit for y'all. Okay, hopefully it's focusing. I know there's a lot of lighting going on in the back. I'm going to go ahead and blend this. So yeah, this is a much better match. Why am I out of focus? Like, come on camera. Do I need to zoom in some more? I feel like my camera's focusing on all these the lights I have. Okay. Yeah, this is so much better, you guys. So much better. This really has a weird smell. Like, I don't know what to call this smell. Alright, camera, now come on. I'm sorry, y'all. Yes, this is a perfect match, you guys. I apologize in advance if my camera keeps on focusing. It's because of this background. There's so much going on with this background. My camera doesn't know what to look at. It don't know if it wants to look at me or if it wants to look at all these colorful little Rice Krispies in the background. So I do apologize. I am so happy about this. I am so happy about this, you guys. Like, this makes my skin look flawless. So hopefully it's focusing on my skin. Like, you guys can't even tell that. You can't even tell that I have on foundation. Like, look at this. I didn't do any type of pore fillers or nothing because I really wanted to just see, like, I just did a mattifying primer. Not a pore filling or anything, but look at this. My smile lines have always been bad. Like, I have a really deep smile line. I really don't know how to combat that, honestly. But look at this covered, well, not coverage, look at this finish. You guys. I'm so excited. Like, this looks so good. So we've already established that this is a perfect match. Thank you. I need to shout out, I'm gonna shout her out because I care. Misha Loves Beauty. Thank you, girl, because you said in the comments that you think I might be butterscotch or maple. So maple was the first one that I tried. And I was like, yeah, maple is definitely it. And maple is definitely it. Okay, like, I'm in love. I'm in love. Like, my face looks so flawless. I love this. I don't feel all cakey and extra. Like, most of the time when I put on foundation, I can feel it on my skin, but I cannot feel this, you guys. Yes. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is concealer. I forgot to wet my beauty blender, so I'm just going to use a brush. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in color C12. Yeah, this will come out so much better if I had just used my Real Technique sponge, but I forgot to wash it from the last video. But despite this, my face looks flawless, you guys. Okay, so the next thing we're trying that I said that I was going to try is the Born This Way, the translucent setting powder. So I took back the medium translucent and I have the translucent now. So I don't really use translucent powder because it normally makes me really white and ashy and has horrible flashbacks, so I'm hoping that this is different. I'm going to find a really fluffy brush really quick and see. I'm going to use this brush. This is a tapered setting brush. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to open up my little Oreo cookie because that's what this looks like. I'm really scared to use translucent powder, you guys, but that other one was a little too bronzy for my skin. This looks so good. Like, oh my god. I'm so excited. So I'm going to dump this in. Okay, so this is not like super ghostly white setting powder. This kind of has like a yellow tint to it. So it says translucent, but it doesn't really look translucent, which is a good thing. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm sorry that this was not focused, you guys. Like, it's just so much going on. Okay, I know this looks really bad on camera. I have never spent this much money on two products, you guys. Okay, so one thing I do like to do over powder that's this color is go over it with my color. This is a round buffer brush. So I'm going to take, if I can find it, my, what is it called? What is it? It's the Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. OMG, you guys. I feel like my color, like, at least maybe it'll focus now. Maybe I just might forget the background for the rest of this video, because I feel like it's focusing on me a lot better without the background. Yeah. Let me go ahead and pick up my background real quick, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I just went ahead and picked up my background because it just completely fell on the floor. So what I'm going to do is do my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I'm going to lightly dust that. Well, nope, first, before I do that, let me do my contouring. I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette because I really like that. What brush do I normally use for that? I don't even know what type of, this is a blush brush, but I'm going to use it as a contour. So I'm going to go in with the color Mocha in the It's My Ray Ray palette and lightly contour. All right, so I did my little contour. That pimple, ooh, I need to wash my makeup brushes. Okay, so I'm going to go over with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I hope this color representation, I feel like, let me turn this off, let me see. Okay, so when I turn it off, it kind of takes away, let me just, I need like a diffuser or something over this. Because we need a little light on this side. There we go. So I'm gonna dip into this and lightly dust it over. Just to make sure that it is not going to be super ashy. It ain't nothing that I could do with my smile lines. Like I just can't figure out how to get those to just be, to act right. I'm gonna do a little highlighter just because I feel like it. And I want to tell you guys about a new highlighter that I found. The Morphe, those single highlighters, this is the high impact highlighters. I got the color Mirage, which is the darkest color. Like I swatched it and I had to have it. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see, so pretty. All right, you guys, so again, this highlighter is Mirage. I'm just gonna show y'all really quick. I'm gonna zoom in. Sorry y'all, I'm gonna have to figure out my lighting and stuff. But anyway, so I'm gonna dip this blush brush from elf into here and do this. This coloring, oh my god, so pretty. But y'all can see it's shiny, it's great, I like it. All right, so this is, y'all can see that it's pretty much blinking on my cheek, even though the coloring is really off, which is really bothering me. Like I said, I'm gonna have to take a white piece of paper and do whatever you gotta do when you do something to your background. I don't even know the word. Okay, I'm not gonna make that into the trash. So take this down, and this is just a basic rush job on the foundation just to see, but I already know the foundation is a great match. I don't really know how I feel about the powder yet. I'm not sure. I might take the powder back, to be honest, get my little $33 back. Okay, coloring is back. I'm sorry y'all, like I'm really having a hard time getting my colors to be true representation, but this is the highlighter. It is so bomb. But anyway, so my final thoughts on the foundation. I absolutely love it. I really like it. I love the finish of it, like just like I did in the last video. Like nothing's changed with how I feel about it, but I do feel so much more in love with it, the fact that it matches. I'm pretty sure there's some cheaper foundations out there that's probably a dupe to this, but like I said, I'm not wearing it for a long time to really know like if it's really going to be something that's just like, oh my god, I gotta have. But from how I'm looking, it's a perfect match. I love it. I am loving it, you guys. Okay, so I think I finally got the coloring right after the video is over. Ugh. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my fashion blog and my travel blog. If you want to become a travel agent and work from home, please check out the link below or leave a comment. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.